Imagine if the entire 4.5 billion-year-old history of Earth was shown in just 10 minutes, then the entire existence of humans would only last a few seconds. Dinosaurs came and disappeared. Continents broke apart. Oceans were formed. And then a tiny creature evolved into a human. But the question is, has Earth's story truly ended, or is the most dangerous chapter still yet to come? This is the story of Earth, from its birth to the complete evolution of humans and AI. Around 4.5 billion years ago, there was only fire, gas, and dust. Massive explosions were constantly happening in space. Small rocks were colliding with each other. Slowly, gravity began pulling these fragments together, and Earth was born. But at that time, Earth was nothing like it is today. It was completely a giant ball of fire. There were oceans of lava here, and the sky was filled with poisonous gases. Chapter 2, Oceans and the Beginning of Life. For millions of years, Earth continued to cool down. Then one day, it began raining continuously from the sky. Rain that continued for thousands of years. Slowly, oceans formed on Earth. And this is where the first story of life began. Inside the oceans, tiny microscopic organisms were born. They were the first form of life on Earth. Slowly, evolution began. Some organisms started creating energy from sunlight. And for the first time, oxygen began forming on Earth. That oxygen later became the reason complex life was possible. Chapter 3, the Age of Dinosaurs. Then came the most dangerous and powerful era of Earth, the dinosaurs. For nearly 160 million years, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. Some flew through the skies. Some lived in the oceans, and some were so massive that they were as tall as buildings. It felt as if Earth would always belong to the dinosaurs. But then everything changed.
Around 65 million years ago, a massive asteroid collided with Earth. The impact was so powerful that it changed the entire planet. The sky filled with smoke, sunlight disappeared. Slowly, the dinosaurs became extinct. And from this moment, evolution chose a new path. Chapter 5, the Beginning of Humans. After the dinosaurs, small mammals began evolving rapidly. Millions of years later, some intelligent creatures appeared in the forests of Africa. Slowly, evolution continued. Their brains grew larger, and then came Homo sapiens. Humans were not physically the strongest, but they possessed imagination. Chapter 6, Civilization. Humans discovered fire. They began farming. They built cities. Slowly, civilizations were born. Egypt, Rome, India, China. Science began. Laws were created, and technology started changing the world.
Chapter 7, the Modern World. Then came the Industrial Revolution. Machines made human work easier. Within just a few years, humans created airplanes, built computers, and then in 1969, humans stepped onto the moon for the first time. Chapter 8, the Birth of AI. Now humans began depending more on technology than nature. Artificial intelligence was born. Machines can now learn, think, and respond like humans. Some scientists believe that in the future, AI could become more intelligent than humans. But perhaps AI is also just a part of human imagination. Final chapter, the future. If the entire history of Earth were compressed into 24 hours, then humans appeared only in the final few seconds. And yet, within those few seconds, humans changed the Earth forever. From caves to space, and perhaps the most interesting chapter is still waiting to be witnessed.